Defining your own words, struggle for existence, descent with modification, and survival of the fittest. Try to define those in your own words, and we're going to go over them in 1 second. So do it on back. Yeah, don't look it up. I just want you to give a guess of what you think it is. Give it in your own words. Alright, just get a quick definition of what you think it means. Try to break down the words struggle for existence. And how are they different? How is struggle for existence different than survival of the fittest? About 30 more seconds. Just get a quick definition down for each. You want to get one? Definition of the next two. It is modifying. Say that I took this jacket and I modified it. I put butterfly patches all over it. If you had mods or anything, yeah, you kind of change it. What is to descend? Well, what is descend? Descent. Descent is like going down. Descend. Try to do that. A lot of you guys have your own definitions now. What I want you to do is with the person, your elbow partner right next to you, is I want you to discuss and make your definitions better. So talk to the person right next to you, compare your definitions, give yours, each of yours, and decide on the best one. Go ahead and do that now. So it looks like you guys got number 1, you got number 3, so y'all work number 2 together. So what did you get for survival of the fittest? Does that include just like being strong, athletic, or just physically fit? Mentally? What's an example of some, like a sloth? How does a sloth fit? Because it survived. Yeah, they are sloth. So how did it survive? Think about that one. We'll talk about that one. Good. Make sure you got something down.
Adopted behavior, physical adoption is passed down from heredity. Oh no, it's not with this.
So doesn't matter how much you worked out your foot. How well you're suited for that shoe. All right, good. Let's go ahead and get started. So, good morning, class. Thank you so much. Okay, so the three things that I want you to be able to tell me at the end of the day, it says it right here on the board, be able to explain the three parts of natural selection. We've just taken a guess right now, and here they are: the struggle for existence, descent with modification, and survival of the fittest. And natural selection is one part of evolution, like we talked about on Friday. Who can tell me what are some of the other parts we talked about on Friday of evolution? So natural selection would be the thumb. What about the pointer finger? Who can tell me what the pointer means? Jennifer.
Gene flow?
Gene flow, yes, movement in and out. What about pinky? Naja. Small, then a population shrinks, you're left with random alleles left. What about the ring finger? Turn on? Right? Non-random mating, yeah. Random mating, you know, that doesn't happen. We don't draw in a hat and pick someone randomly. We choose sexual selection. What about the middle finger? Mutation, good. So we're looking at which finger today? The thumb. We're looking at the thumb today, natural selection. And here are three parts of it: struggle for existence, descent with modification, and your last one, survival of the fittest. So what we're going to do and how we're going to show this, and I'm really trying to help us not think like a Lamarck, and we'll answer about Lamarck. I'm going to pass around some candy. Now, you're going to, at some point, get to eat the candy, but do not eat it yet. Alright, you will get to eat the candy at the very end. Do you guys understand? So when you get the candy, should you eat it right away? Who said yes? Okay. Do not eat it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just choose one piece of candy, okay? And as you go around, as the candy's being passed around, I need you to write these two questions on the back of your packet. Number one says, why did you choose the candy? And answer that one. And two, what traits helped some candy survive? So if you chose the candy, it's getting eaten, it doesn't survive. So what are traits that help the other ones survive? All right, ready? Go ahead. Make sure you're writing those two questions down, answering them. Do not eat them now. No, you can have one, just don't eat it. Why don't eat it? John, you're in charge. Make sure Andy's not eating this. So write down the question, answer them, and then once you answer those questions, we're going to turn to the chart. So if you open the middle of your packet, we're going to write down some numbers for example. Good. Answer those questions too. Don't worry, I'll come around this way. All right. Who did I miss? Did I miss it all? There we go. All right, so let's open our packets. And what we're trying to show is I'm going to